Hello everyone, welcome to my first video on home gardening. And in this video, I will be taking up one of the most common problems we as home gardeners face, that is fighting with pests and bugs in our garden. Now, before I share my formula that can be made with most commonly available ingredients at your home, let us discuss, or let me show you what are the different kind of pests and bugs that usually affect our plants and vegetables in our gardens.
In this video, what we see is a rosebud of China rose which has been attacked by aphids. It is type of bugs that we find commonly in our gardens, and here we can see also some ants which are feeding on aphids. Other type of common bugs and pests are white mealybugs, caterpillars, insects, and even fungus that affects the leaves and stems of the plants, including the flower buds. As you can see in these photographs that I have taken from my garden. Now let us see how we can get rid of these pests and bugs in a most eco-friendly manner.
The method is very simple. We need only 3 ingredients and 1 equipment. The 3 ingredients are baking soda, a baking powder, neem oil, and liquid soap, and 1 equipment, that is 1 liter or 2 liters. Presently I have 1 liter of pressure sprayer. That's all what we need. Now let us see how to use it. So now I have 1 liter of pressure sprayer bottle, and first we will add just 1 spoon of the soda. Then 5 ml of neem oil. After that, 1 drop of liquid soap. That's all we need. Now we will close the sprayer bottle. And give a little shake to the bottle. Now our ingredient is ready to use. We pressurize the pressure sprayer, and after that we will spray it over the affected parts of the plant. That's it. This is the photograph of same China rose bud that I had sprayed with my formula yesterday, and as you can see, the aphids or bugs that had infected the plant are now dead, and it is seen in this photograph in brownish black. This shows the effectiveness of our formula. Now that you have known this simple formula, but I would also like to add a few words of caution to you. First of all, please do not make your solution too much concentrated. Use neem oil 2.5 to 5 ml in 1 liter of water, not more, and only 1 spoon of baking soda. Too much concentrated solution can kill your plants, so please be careful. The second thing is frequency of use of this solution. Try to use it every fortnight on your plants to get it rid of bugs and pests. You can also experiment it with different interval of time and duration, and share your reviews and comments. Thank you.